If you're watching this, you are in Antra's Zook. And I'm Antra Roy. And let's get on. In a large pan, which is on medium heat right now, I'm heating up some cold pressed mustard oil, about a tablespoon or so. Once it reaches a nice desirable temperature, I'm gonna put in a dry red chili. Let it nicely flavor the oil. I'm gonna follow it up with some dry mustard seeds, yellow or black, whichever would work. Be careful at this stage, it splutters like anything. Now add in a teaspoon each of chana dal and broken cashew nuts. Give it a good mix in the hot oil. Now add in a pinch of hing. Let it perfume everything through. Once you're happy with the color of the lentils and the cashew nuts, pour over your semolina. It needs to be dry. Don't try to wash your semolina before doing this. Now, as your semolina slowly warms up, start adding in some flavoring agents. A teaspoon of cut green chilies, some salt, and half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Give it a good stir. Let it all nicely fry in this oil till you can see some streaks of golden brown semolina. Set aside for cooling. Now, as our semolina slowly comes to room temperature, I'm gonna mix some curd, some thick set curd, with a little pinch of salt, a small tiny pinch of sugar, chopped up curry leaves, and coriander leaves. Give it all a good mix. Now add this mixture onto the semolina, which is now cool to touch. Mix it well and then slowly add in more water to form a good batter. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Now, as we have not fermented this batter, we need to add some self-raising agents. There is curd in this batter which is going to react with the chemicals in fruit salt, and it's gonna create a beautiful fermentation. As you can see, it's really nice and fluffy right now. This is the time to scoop it up in already prepared, well-oiled idli pans and put everything on steam right away. Steam cook these idlis for 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the pan. Once there, check it with a toothpick. If everything comes out clean, you know it's all the way cooked through. It's time to now plate up. Now if I look at it, it took me almost 40 minutes to cook this dish. But of course, it doesn't count the sambar and the chutney, which also needs to be prepared. Cheers!